So here this is a question from model question paper. Find the rank of the following matrix by applying elementary row transformation. So here we have to reduce this matrix into an echelon form, and hence we have to find the rank. Okay. So to find the rank, what we'll do now is, okay, so first take the given matrix. I'll call it as, it's not given by any name, take it as matrix A. This is, the elements are 0, 1, -3, -1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 2. Yeah. Tell me now, what is the diagonal here? What are the diagonal elements? Diagonal elements are? Diagonal
1 0 0
elements are 0, 0, and 0. Am I right? This is your diagonal. So if all diagonal elements are 0, we cannot perform any operation. Okay. So in this case, don't start reducing into a pertriangular. First, you need to rearrange. And you have to take care that diagonal element should be non-zero. Now here, this is a first row, first column element which is 0. I cannot reduce these two as 0 with the help of this, which will be, I cannot do it. So here, first what we'll do, we'll make it as non-zero quantity. Now simply I cannot make anything. So what I'll do, I have to apply a row transformation only. I'll interchange these two. Is it okay? See, if I interchange these two rows, my element which was 0 will be now 1, right? So what is the operation to be applied here? We'll apply R2, and this we are interchanging with R1.
R1.
Okay? Huh? Yeah. Only row transformation. Even we would have done like this, but here if you apply this operation, it's a column operation. Don't want. So just interchange these two. So my matrix will be now, just write this as first row and write these elements as second row. So this is 1, 0, 1, 1, and this is 0, 1, -3, -1, 3, 1, 0, 2. Yes, done. Now here, just see, this is the diagonal now. Diagonal elements are 1, 1, 0. We have to reduce the below elements as 0, right? Now, first we'll think of this element. With the help of this element, which is lying in first row, first column, we'll reduce the below elements also as 0. Now, this is already 0. Is it necessary that I have to reduce it as 0?
No.
No, it's not required. So, yeah. So here this element is already 0, so no need to reduce it as 0. Next, we have to reduce this 3 as 0 with the help of this 1. So operation is to be done for which row?
Third.
Third row. So
R1.
it is R3 is, how to write? R3 minus, how to write? You want to reduce now 3 as 0 with the help of 1. This 1 is lying in which row? First row. Last time what we applied, no? Similar type of operation we are just applying. Okay, let us apply and find out. 1 second. Yes. So this is already 0. Now let us reduce it. This R3 element which is 3 as 0 with the help of this operation R3 minus 3R1. So A is nothing but, now no operation for R1, R2. So write the first and second row as they are. Now this operation if you apply, no, R3 minus 3R1, it is 0. Next set when I have to take, no, this is my R3 element, corresponding to this the R1 element is 0. Am I right? So what I'll get? R3 is 1 minus, see I am writing for this. R3 is 1 minus 3 into R1 element is 0. What is the answer?
1.
1. Okay. Yeah. Next set time when I take for R3 element, this is my R3 element and corresponding R1 element is 1. Okay. So again I'll substitute here. My R3 is 0 minus 3 into R1 element is 1. Correct? What is the answer for this?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Done. Now next, when I take this element of R3, so the combination is I have to take 2 and corresponding element as 1. So here this is 2 minus 3 into 1 is how much?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Okay, done. Now, what do you do? Here, this is done now. With the first row, first column element, we have reduced. Tell me which is the next diagonal element. Next diagonal element is second row, second column. Okay, which is that? Isn't it this?
0 minus 3. 1.
No. Diagonal element. See, this is my diagonal. This is done now. Next, concentrate on second row, second column element, which is 1. Okay. With the help of this 1, we have to reduce now this 1 as 0. So operation is for what? It is for R3 again. Correct? So how to do it? R3 minus, you want to reduce which element as 0? 1 as 0. With the help of 1, tell me this rounded 1 is lying in which row?
R2.
R2. So this is 1 into R2. Or simply you can say R3 minus R2 has to be applied for R3 elements. Let us do it. A will be now, again, no operation for first 2 rows. Write it as it is. So 0 minus 0, oh sorry. Second row also same. No operation for that. Third row, 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1?
0.
0. Minus 3 minus of minus 3. 0. Correct? Minus 1 minus of minus 1. Because R3 and R2 element we have to take. Minus 1 minus of minus 1 is how much?
Ma'am, 0.
Minus 2.
0 again. Correct? Yes. Done. Now next element, next diagonal element is 0. Not to worry because below that we don't have any element. If below elements were there and if this element was 0, we would have done again a interchanging the row. Okay. Now, after this, now you need to confirm this is now which row? Third row is 0 row or non-zero row?
0 row.
0 row. Now, there is one non-zero row, second row. Can you reduce this second row if all elements are 0 with the help of the first row? Is it possible? At the most, no, if I add it, no, minus 1 plus 1, this element may be 0, but I cannot say entire all elements will not be 0. Agree with this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this after confirmation that if I cannot further simplify, I'll call it as a echelon form. This is my reduced echelon form. Then we can easily write the rank. What is rank of A? Rank of A is what now? How much?
Non-zero terms.
Huh?
Ma'am, 2. 2.
Huh?
2.
What is rank of A?
2.
2.
It is 2. It is 2. How to count? It is number of
Non-zero.
non-zero rows in E. So after reducing what a matrix you get, no, that is called as E. So this is a non-zero row. Second one is also non-zero row. Count them. So there are 2 non-zero and last one is 0 row. Leave it. So altogether the rank of this matrix is 2. Is the part clear? Huh? This is a question from your model question paper. See what we did in the beginning. So beginning there was like yeah, here first element only was 0. So what we did, we interchanged the rows and we made it as a non-zero quantity. Then we tried okay, or reduce the below elements as 0. So you should reduce the given matrix into upper triangular and then count the number of non-zero rows. That gives the rank. Hope the part is clear. Huh? Yeah. Let me take another example. Just check whether last time this example is being taken up. I'll write it because I don't remember it. Okay, not this. Okay, I paste. Okay, let it be. I'll go to the question paper only. That is far better. Yes, this 1, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Is it considered last time?
No, ma'am.
It's okay, you solve again once.
No, no. Solving same example again and again, no use. No, in the, okay, here I have it actually. There was some, it was, yeah, 3,
Not
2,
done.
1. Not sorted. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Here it is 1, 1, minus 1. Yeah, let me write it. Write the example. Find the rank of the matrix. Find the rank of the matrix A equal to 1, 1, minus 1. Am I right with the question? Just remember 1, 1, minus 1. 2, minus 3, 4. 2, minus 3, 4. And then you have a 3,
Minus
Mi-
2, 3.
minus 3 and
Minus 2, 3.
minus 2, 3. Am I correct? Just check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if you write one element also wrong, no, rank also is going to differ. Yeah, let us take this. Again, we have to find the rank by reducing it into echelon form. Now, which is the diagonal now? Diagonal elements are 1, minus 3 and
Minus 3, 3.
yeah. So compulsorily this 2, 3, minus 2, these three elements should be compulsorily 0. Other than this, if extra 0 are there, not to win. So first, we'll reduce this 2 and 3 as 0 with the help of this 1. With the help of 1, we'll reduce these elements as 0. So 2, it is lying in which row?
Second.
Second row. So operation should be for second row. How to write? R2 minus, which element I want to make it as 0?
2.
2 should be reduced to 0, right? So 2 should be reduced to 0. With the help of which element? With the help of this 1. Okay?
1.
Always with the help of diagonal only you reduce. This 1 is lying in which row?
R1. First.
R1. Okay? Similarly, we'll apply one more operation. I want to even reduce this 3 as 0. Correct? So operation is for R3. How to do it? R3 minus
R.
3 I want to reduce with the help of 1 again. And where is this 1? It is in R1. Okay? Let us apply the operation. So this is A is now. No operation for first row. So I'll write it same. Second row. See, you have applied a correct operation. So these two elements are surely going to be 0. We'll worry about the next. See, R2 minus 2R1. So this operation should be applied for all elements. If I applied for this, I'll get it as 0. Next, I'll apply it for this minus 3. Tell me for this minus 3, which is the corresponding R1 element?
1.
1, which is lying just on top of it, right? So I'll apply this. So what I'll do, R3 element is minus 3 minus 2 into corresponding R1 element is 1 for me. What is the value?
-5.
-5. Done. Next, I'll take the next element of R2. Next element is 4. Tell me, for 4, which is the corresponding R1 element?
-1.
-1. Okay, I'll apply the similar operation. My R2 element is 4 minus 2 into my R1 element is -1. Tell me the value.
Ma'am, 2.
Huh?
2, ma'am.
6,
Do
ma'am.
it properly,
6,
madam.
ma'am.
It is
6.
6. Minus into minus plus, no?
Yes,
4
ma'am.
plus
I 4.
how can you do it? Okay, now here this is 0 done. Next, same operation. This R3 should be applied for remaining 2 elements also. Corresponding to this -2, which is the R1 element?
-3.
1, 1. Corresponding to -2, it is 1. So it is -2 minus 3 into 1 is how much?
-5.
-5. Next, for 3, which is the corresponding R1 element?
-1.
Corresponding to 3, which is the corresponding R1 element? You should take on top. on top.
-1.
Yeah, it is
-1.
R1 is -1. So the R3 element is 3 minus 3 into
6.
R1 element is -1.
Ma'am, 6.
Very good. It is 6. Now, next diagonal element. This is done. Let us concentrate on the next element, -5. So below -5, isn't it? You have an again element, correct? So we have to reduce this as 0. Then only it becomes upper triangular. So operation is for which row?
Second row.
Third row.
Third row.
Okay, so third row operation is, let's see, R3 minus, you see now here, I want to reduce this -5 as 0 with the help of -5 only. Isn't it they are same? If the two numbers are same like A and A, how can I make it as 0? Is it by adding, subtracting, dividing, what?
Subtracting.
Obviously subtracting. So I want to reduce this element as 0. Both are same. So I just write the straight away operation as R3 minus R2. So always the element should be reduced to 0 with the help of the corresponding diagonal element only. Remember this point. Okay. Yeah. So what we'll get now? If you apply this operation, A will be first two rows same. Tell me what happens to this last row. Let's take the difference. 0 minus 0.
Ma'am, 0, 0.
0, 0 and 6 minus 6 is also 0. Correct? Now, can you reduce this second row entirely as 0? Possible? By applying some operation?
No, ma'am.
Surely no. Surely no. So
No,
that
ma'am.
it is in which form now? Echelon form. The extended upper triangular form only is echelon form. Then, what is the rank now in this case?
2, ma'am.
Is again 2. Is again 2. There are 2 non-zero rows. That is the rank of the given matrix. Okay, so these are the problems from your question paper. See, they have asked very, very simple questions. I'll take little higher part also, because if they ask some difficult questions, you should be able to do it. What we did it for 3 cross 3, okay, 3 cross 4, same thing has to be applied if the order is little different also. Means maybe the order may be little more. Still, same type has to be applied to get the rank of the matrix. Okay, yeah. Just let me take another example. Just write down. Find the rank of the matrix. Find the rank of the matrix 0, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 5, 4. 4, 8, 13 and 4, 8, 13 and 12. Yeah. Yes. Tell me, can anybody tell me what is the first operation to be applied?
Arrange the row.
We have to interchange the rows. Which two rows?
First and second.
First and
First
second.
and second.
Let us interchange them. So first R1 is interchanged with R2. A will be 2, 3, 5, 4, 0, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 13, 12. Got it? Yeah. Now, tell me what is the operation to be applied here? What we need to apply? So, with the help of this 2, below element should be 0. So, this is already 0, not to worry. So, this 4 should be reduced to 0. Am I right? So, operation
Yes,
is
ma'am.
for third row. What is that? R3 minus, you want to reduce 4 as 0 with the help of 2. Now, where is this 2 lying in? Which row?
R1.
First row.
R1.
Now, in these two, tell me what is common.
2.
2 you can take common and just cancel it. So that if I divide this by 2, no, this is R3 minus 2R1. You can write this simplified part. So instead of getting bigger numbers, smaller numbers can be like, you will get it in the calculation. So let me apply that. So no operation for the first 2 rows, write it same. Third row, if you apply this is surely 0. Okay, now for 8, what is the corresponding R1 element?
3.
3, right? So apply here R3 as 8 and R1 element as 3 and do it. Means it is 2 into 8 minus 4 into 3. Am I correct? Just I am substituting R3 as 8 and R1 as 3. What will you get? 8 2s are 16 minus 4 3s are 12. How much?
4.
4. So the answer is 4 over here. Next, for 13, which is the corresponding R1 element? Sorry.
5.
Sorry. No. Okay, I applied this. No. Okay. This is simplified part. If you apply for this also, it is same. Correct, no? 8 minus 2 3s are 6. No, I think you will get 2.
Ma'am, it is getting 2.
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, don't concentrate here. You just concentrate over here. My R3 element is 8 minus 2 into 3 is how much? 8 minus 6 is 2.
2.
This is 2. Now, for 13, corresponding R1 element is what? 5. Correct? Okay. So, R3 is 13 minus 2 into corresponding R1 element is 5. So, how much is this? 13 minus 2 5s are 10. What is the difference?
3.
3.
3.
Similarly, for 12, tell me the corresponding element of R1.
4.
4. Okay,
4,
again
ma'am.
apply here. So it is 12 minus 2 into 4. 12 minus 8 is how much?
4.
4. 4. Okay. Now, this is done. Below elements are 0. Concentrate on second row, second column element, which is 2. So below that, we have an element present. Okay, non-zero element. This has to be reduced. Okay. So the operation is for what now? R3. What can be applied? R3 minus. Again,
R2.
yeah, both are same. So just take the difference. It is R3 minus R2. Yeah, if you take it, what will you get? A is first 2 rows same. 0, 2, 3, 4. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Again, can I reduce this second row as 0? Entirely
No, ma'am.
not
No, ma'am.
possible. So this is the echelon form. Again, what is the rank?
2.
Rank is
2.
rank is 2. Let me take little different example. Okay. Take as find the rank of the matrix A equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 3, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 4, minus 5 and 8. Write the elements correctly with the sign. Okay. Now tell me the rank has to be. Can I restrict it to some number? Can I tell that the rank cannot be more than this number? Anything like that?
Ma'am, 3.
Why it cannot be more than 3?
Last one is 0. Non-zero.
No, it's not 0, it's 8. Let it be. If it is 0 also, you cannot say. Now, what is the order? Order is 4 means rank may be 4 or less than 4. It cannot be more than 4. Got it? It's a 4 cross 4 matrix. Okay. So let us start solving. Now here nothing is 0. So this is my diagonal. So this 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 4 minus 5. All these 6 elements should be reduced to 0 first. That should be your intention. Okay. It's going to be little lengthy. Do it very carefully. First, with the help of this 1, we'll reduce this 1, this 2, this 3 as 0. Tell me the operations. R2 is see both the elements are 1 and 1, right? I want to reduce this 1 as 0 with the help of 1. So I just take their difference. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what I'll get next? Next is for R3. Tell me the operation for R3. R3 minus which element you want to reduce it as 0? You want to reduce
R2.
2 as
R2.
0 with the help of 1. Where is this 1 lying in? This 1 is lying in
Two.
R1.
Second row.
Tell me similarly for R4 now. You only tell, I'll not tell anything. R4 minus
minus
2,
3 R.
3. 3 you want to reduce. With
3
the help
R1.
of 1. This 1 is
3
in
R.
R1. So with
R1.
the help of first row element, which is a diagonal element, you have to reduce the below elements as 0. Go step by step. Yeah. Let us write it. Tell me no change with which row?
First row.
First
row.
row. Yeah. All are 1, 1, 1, 1 only. Yeah. R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, 0.
0.
2 minus 1,
1.
1.
1. 3 minus 1,
2.
2. Minus 4 minus 1,
Minus 3.
minus 5. Correct? R2 minus R1 you should take.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Minus.
Okay. Now, R3 operation is R3 minus 2R1. Can you tell me what will you get here, this element 2 as? Surely it will be 0. Okay. Next. Next for this 3, corresponding element is 1. Luckily for all these, no corresponding elements are 1, 1, 1 only. I'll apply this. This R3 element is 3 minus 2 into 1 is how much? 3 minus
1.
1.
1
Next, for this 5, what is the corresponding? Is 1. So this is 5 minus 2 into 1
3.
is how much?
3.
3.
3.
Next, minus 5 and 1. This is minus 5 minus 2 into 1 is how much?
minus 7.
Minus 7. Very good. Similarly, if I apply for this,
0.
yeah, this will be surely 0. Next, for minus 4, the corresponding element is 1. So I'll take R4 is minus 4
minus 7.
minus 3 into 1. Minus 7. Very good. Similarly, next, minus 5 and
minus 8,
so minus 5
minus 8.
minus 3 into 1 minus 8. Okay. Next is 8 and 1. This is 8
5.
minus 3
5,
into 1 is 5. Okay. Tell me what is the next diagonal element?
1.
The
3,
next
5.
diagonal element is this one. Okay. Yeah. With the help of this one, we have to reduce these two elements as 0. So operation is for R3. What it is? Again, both elements
R3
are
minus
same means
R2.
R3 minus R2. Again, R4 is, yeah, they are not same. So let us take it properly. R4 minus, which element you want to reduce? You want to reduce minus 7.
minus 7.
With the help of 1, where is this 1 lying in?
R2,
R2.
R3.
Yeah, let us apply the operation. This is A is, again, which rows to be written same?
First.
First and second, both.
second,
Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 2, minus 5, same. Next, this is 0. This also will be 100% 0. Next, R3 minus R2, no? So 3 minus 2, 1.
1.
Minus 7, minus of minus 5,
12.
minus
minus,
2.
minus 2,
Minus 2. Now, last row. R4 plus 7 R2. If you apply this, surely it is 0. Here it is 0. Next, this is also 0. Next, minus 8. Tell me what is the corresponding
1.
element for R2? It's 2.
Ma'am, 1.
Minus 8 plus 7 into 2 is how much?
5. Minus
Ma'am,
1.
6.
Tell me correct.
6,
6.
Ma'am, 6.
Sure?
6,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am,
Next, 5 and corresponding to 5 you have minus 5. I have to take a R2 element which is minus 5. This is 5 plus 7 into minus 5 is how much? Minus 35 plus 5.
minus 30,
Minus 30. Okay. Tell me the next diagonal element. In which row it is lying?
1 and minus 30.
1 and minus 30. Okay, but among the two, which we have to consider first?
R4.
Yeah, no. Before R4, you should take R3, no? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
With the help of this, you are going to reduce now this 6 as 0. Okay. So operation is for R4. Tell me what you'll get. R4 minus, which element you want to reduce?
6.
6. With the
Six.
help of 1. Where is this 1 lying in?
R3.
R3.
3.
So first 3 rows same. 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 1, 2, minus 5. 0, 0, 1 and minus 2 same. Last row. Yeah. This which is reduced to 0 now is 0, 0 only. This also becomes 0, 100%. Now, for minus 30, tell me corresponding R3 element. For this minus 30, which is the corresponding R3 element?
Minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay. So this
Ma'am,
is
minus 18.
R4
minus
is
18.
minus 30 minus 6
Minus
into
18.
minus 2. How much?
Minus 18.
Minus 18, sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next diagonal element is minus 18. Below that, nothing is there, so not to worry. Okay. This is no doubt now upper triangular. This is reduced to upper triangular. can you reduce it into such that entire row going to be 0? So I'll concentrate on for the third row. If I want to reduce this third row as 0, okay, if I apply any operation, I should apply such that these which are reduced to 0 should again be 0 only. They should not again change. Is it possible? Check about it. Can I reduce this minus
Yes, ma'am.
18 as 0
Yes,
such
ma'am.
that again which are reduced to 0, which are already 0 should be 0? Possible? Surely it is not possible. Okay, you can think of any operation. It cannot be reduced, further reduced. So I will call this only as my echelon form. Now can you tell me the rank?
4.
4. See,
4.
so rank cannot be more than 4. Rank can also be 4 here. It's a 4 cross 4. So it is not compulsory that surely any of the row going to be 0. It is not like that. Carefully you do it. If you do mistake when finding some element, you may get it as wrong. Okay, that's why be careful and apply the operation correctly. Is the concept of rank clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Here only thing is you need to apply it properly and then you should get it the rank. Okay, I'll take one interesting problem and end the concept of rank. This rank concept is very important because we are going to use this for the next two, even two concepts are there. In that we'll use this rank. Okay, I'll write one example. Let's see, very interesting example is there. We'll be very happy to see that. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. 93, happy? Happy with the example? 96, 97. Don't worry, I'll not write a 3-digit number, I'll write till only 2-digit. 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Last 2-digit number is what?
99.
99. Okay, let me write like that and complete. Isn't it very interesting example? Don't be scared. This is very simple. Okay. See, when you have the numbers like randomly given, you don't have any choice. You have to go for a proper procedure and find out. For such type of numbers, may not be 90s, they may give it as 70s, hundreds or whatever it is. If you have such continuous numbers, you can do some operation, not like the part what I have taken till now. You can do it little different way. Okay. Now, if I want, this is my diagonal element. I can reduce these as 0, not to worry, but think of the complexity, or you can say the tedious work involved here. Okay. So for that reason, now you just see what is the difference between these two numbers.
2.
91 and 92. Difference is
1.
1.
1. 1.
Similarly, what is the difference between the next two set?
1.
1. 1.
1, 1, 1. Isn't it? It is everywhere same.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Okay, everywhere means here if I take the difference, the elements are going to be 1. Similarly, what is the difference here?
1.
1. This is again 1. This is again 1. Similarly, you can take any two set like that. So, instead of dealing with such big numbers, we'll reduce it as smaller number 1 and then we'll start finding the rank. Got the point? And one more thing. I have told you whether we have to reduce the below row as 0 with the help of above row or above rows to be 0 with the help of below row. What I have to? help should be taken from above
Above
row to reduce the below rows, not the reverse part. Okay. Yeah. So what I will do, I'll reduce this second row as 1 with the help of first row. I cannot take the below row help. So I'll just apply like this. R2 is R2 minus R1. R3 is either you can take R3 minus R2 or R3 minus R1. No worries. I'll take it as R3 minus R2. Can you tell me what should be R4 then? On this symmetry,
R4
just
minus
tell me
R5.
R4 minus R2.
R4 minus R3. Can I apply one more? There are 5 rows are there. So if 5 rows are there, at once you can apply maximum 4 operations. R5 is R5 minus R4. Am I correct? Just see what is happening. This bigger number reducing to smaller. Now tell me which row has to be written as it is. First one. Tell me the remaining elements. Isn't it all elements are 1? Do check. How many rows I have to write like this? Isn't it 4 rows I have to write? R2, R3, R4, R5. Okay. Now, what we'll do, can I reduce any row to be 0 directly by some operation? See, now elements are same. Elements are same, so not to worry. What I will do, isn't it this entire row can be reduced to 0 with the help of above row?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Similarly, this also can be reduced to 0 with the help of this row or this row. No problem. Okay, so I'll apply like this. Now, I cannot reduce this second row as 0 with the help of below row. That will be a wrong operation. Huh? That is against the rules. So, I can reduce R3 as 0 with the help of R2. Similarly, R4 I can reduce it to 0 either with the help of R2 or with the help of R3. No problem. But it should be from above row you should reduce the below row. R5 will be what then? R5 minus R4. Correct? Don't apply one more operation. R2 as, don't apply R2 as R2 minus R3. You will not get marks. So A will be what now? No change with how many rows?
2.
First 2 rows, no change. Second row, third row, all 0. Fourth row, all 0. Fifth row, all 0, no? Am I right or wrong? See, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, everywhere. Now, can I reduce this 1 as 0 entirely? Can
No,
I
ma'am.
reduce? No, it is sure. And one more thing, you may ask me, this is 91. Below that all should be 0, but this is not 0. So how can you can call it as echelon? See, if I reduce it by 0 also, this entire row I cannot reduce. And I'm not interested in what matrix is obtained. I'm interested in only finding the rank. So I will not take trouble in reducing it as 1. Okay, as 0. I'll keep it as same. Because if I reduce it also, rank will not change. Agree? Tell me now what is the rank?
Second.
2. Rank is 2. There are 2 non-zero rows are there. Suppose if I reduce this as 0, still these elements cannot be reduced as 0 entirely. So it still becomes as a non-zero row. Did you get this point? Yeah.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is about finding the rank. You can go through